One moment you're on schedule, the next you're in the middle of the unknown. An accident, a breakdown, a sudden emergency. In those moments, panic can cost lives, but preparation can save them. So, here's the question. If it happened to you right now, would you know exactly what to do? Welcome to Accident and Breakdown Procedures US, a comprehensive online safety course from OSHA Outreach Courses. In just 18 minutes, you'll learn the exact steps to take when accidents or breakdowns happen, so you can respond quickly, safely, and effectively every time. This course is packed with real-world guidance you can apply immediately, understanding incidents versus accidents and why the difference matters for safety reports and liability. Prevention through preparation from pre-trip inspections to staying alert and healthy on the road. Your incident response kit, what to keep in it, and how to use it in a crisis. Securing the scene, protecting yourself, your vehicle, and other road users. Communication protocols, the right way to report, record, and relay information. Immediate first response steps before professional help arrives. Accidents and breakdowns are stressful, but your reaction determines the outcome. The knowledge you gain here could mean the difference between chaos and control, between injury and safety, between costly mistakes and professional, compliant action. Whether you're a commercial driver, part of a company fleet, or responsible for your own transport, this training equips you to handle emergencies with confidence. Employers know, a trained driver isn't just safer, they're more reliable, more professional, and better prepared to protect company assets. When you complete this 18-minute training, you'll receive your official OSHA Outreach Courses certificate, proof of your skills and readiness. It's a credential you can present to your employer, keep in your records, and take pride in knowing you've elevated your safety expertise. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Click the link in the description, enroll now in Accident and Breakdown Procedures, US, and get prepared.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.